Hello everyone. I hope you're okay. Let's start our usual analysis for gold for 22nd of May 2025. The market is still open. However, we're forecasting for tomorrow, and it's 5 to 6 p.m. UK time. So let's start with the Forex Factory, and 22nd of May we got quite a heavy impact, quite a lot heavy impact news. And we are only interested in USD news, which is 1:30 and 2:45 p.m. We got unemployment claims and flash manufacturing PMI and flash services at PMI, and then we got low impact, medium impact existing home sales at 3 p.m. So these are the news. And before that, we got Euro, and we also got GBP as well, if you're interested in these pairs. But however, we trade on gold, so we're interested only on USD news. Right. Going on to the chart, starting from monthly rejection, consolidation, the movement, and weekly. Tomorrow is Thursday, so hopefully, if this can close up, there's chances of going to the upside. Another reason is because this area has been tested in weekly, so the possibility of going to the upside. And in daily, this area has been tested as well. And 4 hour, this area has been tested as well, of course. This was the important area break of structure. And daily, it was a break of structure as well. Now, let's see our analysis and see what's going on. Previously, as you know, the market took liquidity in daily from this from here, and this kind of stick pattern was a very good buy opportunity. This double track. Also, this was another buy opportunity, and we took those opportunities. We had another buy opportunity here with, if we go to smaller time frame, the purpose of analysis is not only for trading, but it's for learning as well. So for the future learning, look in 1 hour, you can clearly see this this gap there, and then we got buy setup here as well. So that was another opportunity. Now, market has broken 4H level. The structure level has been broken, and this was the next structure level. Market nearly hit that, so almost 30 pip remaining to hit this. Now, a good trade setup would be inside this region for the sell. That's 4 hour level, as you can see in 4 hour. At the moment, market is bullish, making higher highs, and we can have a good rejection from here for buy sell, the 4 hour level within this area. However, a good buy set would be in this area. So always refine in smaller time frame. Always do refine in smaller time as well. And if you want not sure about your analysis, structure levels, you can get help with RSI or moving averages, which I do. If you want to know more about that, do comment on the video, and I'll make another video for different strategies. I hope this is helpful. And that's it for now, because there's nothing much in the market Now these are the levels which I already explained. So now market is kind of ranging, so be careful in this kind of situation. Market is gathering liquidity, and also this time is not for is not a trading time normally. So we'll wait for the tomorrow when the market open and see if we can get any opportunities. Also, if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is below, and I sometimes do send some setups there as well. So I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. Have a good day, good night. Bye bye.